Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Probably no one's going to watch this video. Who's interested in a 69 Camaro convertible with a Rally Sport Super Sport, big block 4-speed, amazing colors, deluxe houndstooth interior, loaded to the gills with options. We got a pretty amazing car here, and it checks all the boxes. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, get the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars, and they are all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. For right now, tops down on this Camaro. Let's go for a spin. Really nice car. Frame off restored. It's not that Concourse Trailer Queen car, but it's very nicely restored, very good car. I personally drove it home at night in the cold, and it functioned beautifully. All the lights, the interior lights, dash lights, all the gauges were functioning. Windows roll up and down, doors shut nice. It performed really well. And then I overheard someone else that works here, I don't remember who, but someone else said, "Oh man, that car drove really nice." And I jumped in and said, "Yeah, didn't it?" And we had a little conversation about how well it drove. So the car functions really, really well. It is body off the frame. There is a subframe up front. They removed that. The front end's completely rebuilt. All the bushings, ball joints, springs, shocks, whatever's up front is all new. The rear suspension's also new. You can see the leaf springs, the bushings at each end, and the shackles and the shocks. All that's been replaced. So all the suspension front to back is replaced. Front and back is connected with frame connectors, especially for a convertible. That really helps make it not so flexible. And it's got rebuilt brakes. They're disc in front, drum in back. E-brakes were hooked up. Even there's a bracket that holds the e-brake cable where it's supposed to be. I look underneath these cars all the time. I never see that bracket. It's on this car. It has the proper exhaust system, dual exhaust with the transverse muffler, and it goes back into dual exhaust. It is a Muncie 4-speed trans. It's a 307 posi in the back. The fuel system looks new. The tank, I think, looked new. You look up at the motor, it's super clean. The freeze plugs are not painted over. New starter. So the whole bottom of this car is very proper, very clean. All the metal is really nice. It's not patched up, rusted up metal, all clean metal. So look at our undercarriage pictures. We got a bunch of them. Anyone who gets under this car, it's nice. Door wasn't shut all the way. So anyway, Hugger Orange. Beautiful. The body is smooth, clean, straight, fits real nice. No cracking up here where they always crack. Obviously has a spoiler. It's slick to the touch. As I'm touching it, I'm like, woo. A new emblem. Tail lights look new. Bumper's beautiful. It's a Rally Sport, so the reverse lights are mounted down below the bumper. And those are the correct style 69 tips. It's a white convertible top. It's a power top in really nice shape. And this is all smooth. This molding fits real nice. It has the exterior trim package, which is the louvers and wheel well moldings. Door handles are gleaming. It has a remote mirror. That's another option. It looks new. All these moldings probably been replaced, including the wipers. The windshield's real nice and clear. There's one light scratch right there. Cowl induction hood. This is a very rare, unique stripe. I think it's a DX1 is the number they gave it. That is a factory stripe. You don't see it too often. An enduro rubber bumper painted to match the car. We did just paint it. There's not a nick on it. Rally Sport hidden headlights. They do work. I'll demonstrate that in a few minutes. Emblems look new. The Rally wheels actually look like new wheels with all new trim. New BF Goodrich tires. Visors, the whole interior has been redone. It's white, so it's not brand new, and it's not ripped or torn. I don't even know what to say is wrong with it, but it's just not brand new white. But it's in excellent shape, really, and it's the Houndstooth Deluxe. Molded door panels. See the molded door panels? It's all part of the Deluxe. This panel's excellent. The pull strap here is a little bit yellowed. Door jambs are really clean, painted. The weather strips are replaced. Inside the trunk is really clean, all metal. This is all painted nicely. Has new weather strip, new trunk liner, new well liner. This is also a new rally wheel, complete new reproduction jack assembly. That BF Goodrich tire's never been on the ground, so it has a sticker on it. So the whole rally wheel, tire, jack, all new. Has a car cover. Might be a bag of money, so whoever buys this car, I'm not even gonna look in here. It's either a cover or a bag full of cash. I hope for you it's cash. Tilt Rosewood Deluxe steering wheel. Wheel looks like it's new. There's no cracks in it. And this has the full gauge package. It has the clock, which is working, the tachometer, the gauges in the console. It's a Hurst shifter. Looks like new GM reproduction seat belts. Has an AM, FM cassette retro radio. The lights work under the dash at the back of the console. So this is a loaded up car. And again, it functions really well. The vents are nice. The heater control panel is really nice. It's all really good. The console, the wood grain on the console is excellent. I guess I should have opened the hood earlier, but it is dressed up as a 396 because that's what they had in 69. This one's actually upgraded with a 454 motor. It's got the square port heads, an Edelbrock intake, a dual feed Holley carb with electric choke. Looks like an MSD ignition system that's in there. Also wanted to point out it has what they call the shaker cans. Convertibles have these counterbalance weights in the corners. Sometimes they're missing, but they are there in this car. I see a wire going up to a trunk light here too. Let me fire it up. Well, let's talk more about the motor. Stock exhaust manifolds, has power steering. The power brake system looks new. Has the under hood lamp. Wiper motor looks new. Correct chrome valve covers and air cleaner lid. GM heater hoses. Spring clamp battery cables. The shroud looks new. The horns are hooked up. The wiring's all real nice. The vacuum headlights look like that system's new. Let me see if I can turn them on before we miss the camera here. I hope they open. Owner's manual in the glove box. Mirror's real nice. Visors are nice. Really nice car. Frame off restored, loaded. I'm going to say a really nice high-end cruise night car. If you took this to a national concourse Camaro event, it's not going to win a first place. It might win a second place. That's just the type of car it is, but it's a good car. You know what I'm saying? It's not junk by any means. The backs of the seats are a little bit yellowed. That's the stuff I'm talking about. It's keeping it from being, pristine. Motor runs smooth. It's not even warmed up. I just pulled it in from the cold. So right now that's a cold start. We'll goose it one more time. This one checks all the boxes. This thing's a loaded up RSSS big block, deluxe interior gauges, tilt, rosewood, enduro bumper, stripes, remote mirror, posi. It just goes on and on. This is a nice opportunity to get a pretty amazing and desirable, extremely desirable car. Go to volocars.com before someone beats you to it. Plenty of ways on there to contact the salesman. I just gave you my impression of what I think about the car. If you have specific questions or concerns, please ask them. They will assist you. They will also help with the paperwork, financing, delivery. Volocars.com. Enjoy watching the videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.